Okay, so we already washed the samples outside. That happened earlier. And so after the samples are washed, this is where they go. And they're stored in here until they go in the ovens. So the reason they're stored in here with all these light bulbs is that the light bulbs heat up this closet and they're drying these samples. So remember when we washed the samples, that was to get the soil out. And then the leaves are very wet and the samples are very wet. There's a lot of water in there. So it's really important that the samples be completely dry. We're trying to measure the mass of carbon, and this is done by measuring the dry mass of the leaves. If we're measuring water, this will throw off our measurements completely. So this is the first step in drying those samples that we washed. And this is roughly the right temperature, but this isn't a very controlled environment. So after they're mostly dry here, then we go down to the laboratory with these samples, put them in the oven, and dry them to constant mass, which I'll explain.